Hello and welcome to Fabric by Singhania. Today we have something very special and beautiful for all the bride-to-bes and their guests. So let me show you. In this months of April, May and June, we have so many summer weddings to attend and we have the perfect fabric for it. So let me get into it. So here we have this gorgeous net fabric for you. As you can see how beautiful this is and how it shines in the light, it's almost glittering. If you notice all the patchwork that has been done and the thread embroidery with the sequin work, it looks beautiful, and there is minute fine details of beadwork also that has been done. We can customize this into a perfect lehenga, or if you want to create a nice suit set and stand out in a wedding, these fabrics would be just perfect. Now the next fabric is ideal for any kind of nighttime look that you want to do for a wedding occasion. This could be perfectly customized as a lehenga too. So here we have this beautiful plum color georgette fabric. As you can see how beautiful and heavy the work on this fabric is. Although the fabric is very lightweight, all the work that has been done makes it look really different and unique. So all over it you can see this gold, antique gold zari work and some nice sequin work that has been done on a light note with beautiful multicolor thread work. And the border is to die for, because just look at how beautiful this is. It has multicolor thread work that has been done. There are blues, orange, purple and so many more colors in this one fabric, which would be perfect for a lehenga set. For a daytime wedding look, we have the perfect georgette fabric. So here we have a beautiful pastel blue color fabric. As you can see the work on this, it is very beautiful and very elegant. Now all the thread work has been done in pastel shades itself to make it look very subtle and gorgeous. And over it you have this very light sequin work and thread work. Now the border of this is also very pretty with nice multicolor pastel color thread work that has been done in a very beautiful pattern. This would be perfect to create another lehenga look for a daytime wedding. Another idea for a nighttime look for this summer wedding would be this beautiful georgette fabric that we have. Now this is in a nice rich red blood color and it looks really beautiful. This could be really fancy for any kind of wedding. If you want to recreate this as a bride-to-be too, this would be the perfect fabric. So this is a nice lightweight georgette fabric, and on this we have beautiful sequin work which is also done in the same shade of the base fabric, and all over it you can see this very nice and beautiful thread work that has been done in multicolor, which makes it look really nice. So the red and the contrast of these pastel colors makes it look really beautiful and complementary. If you want to create a flowy and elegant lehenga, we have the perfect net fabric for it. So here I have this beautiful purple color net fabric. Now this is literally glittering in the light and it makes it look really fancy. So for any kind of wedding invitations you have, you could customize this into a perfect lehenga or a perfect anarkali. So on this we have nice sequin work which is done in a white color with beautiful silver bead work, which makes it look really pretty and feminine. This would be the perfect fabric for an anarkali. Now for all the daytime wedding looks that you have planned, we have another set of fabrics that I'd like to show. So here we have this beautiful Banarasi satin fabric. Now this has a nice touch to it because of the pastel color. Now all of this has a nice silver zari work that has been done in the borders and beautiful booties that have been put all across the fabric. This would be perfect to be customized into a sari, or if you want to create a very subtle and sweet lehenga, this fabric would be perfect for it. Now another beautiful shade of satin Banarasi that we have is this gorgeous turquoise color. So here this has a nice grid-like pattern to it, as you can see, with nice silver zari work that has been done across the fabric with beautiful borders which is in floral design. This would be perfect to be customized into a sari, and we have a nice contrast of green and red in the buttas as well, which makes it look really elegant and beautiful. Now if you want a more fancy and grand look, we have a beautiful georgette fabric for you, and this has a really nice and beautiful design to it. Here you can see how beautiful the design of it is. It's in a nice white color fabric, and all over it we have nice sequin work that has been done, which gives a nice glitter to the whole fabric. Now the border here is very unique because we have nice tiger design over it with some floral design which is all thread work, which makes it look really unique and different from all the other fabrics. Now you could recreate this into a very beautiful lehenga or even if a suit set if you have it in mind. Now the next set that we have is another beautiful purple color net fabric. So here we have the fabric. This is very gorgeous to look at. It has a nice glittery effect to it. This could be customized into a gorgeous lehenga if you have in mind. Now this has nice beadwork that has been done all across it, which gives the nice shine to it, which is a nice light pink color with the base color, which is purple. So this really stands out with beautiful sequin work that has been done. We could create a nice anarkali as well, or if you have a nice lehenga in mind for a nighttime sangeet look, this fabric would be perfect for it. Since pastels are trending and we know how much we love those colors, this would be perfect for a daytime look for a wedding occasion. So here we have this beautiful and very pretty georgette fabric, which is in a nice pink shade. As you can see how beautiful and gorgeous this color is, it looks really nice and very pleasing to the eyes. It's in a light pink color and the base fabric is georgette with nice pastel shade embroidery that has been done all over the fabric. Now this could be perfect for a lehenga, or if you want to create a very modern anarkali or suit, these fabrics would be just perfect for a daytime look. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, like and comment for more details and subscribe to Fabric by Singhanias. If you want to customize anything here at our store, you can visit at Banjara Hills Road number 1 and shop online at Fabric by Singhanias.